All right, back once again with the KLR 650. Big, thick, massive beast. Today, we're gonna put on some Enduro Engineering handguards. Ignore the white, I have black. Nice black ones to put on there. They were just happened to be on there. These were off another bike, but it's exactly what you get when you order them from Enduro Engineering. You get your bar mount, you have the end clamp, and whatever color shield you want. So now, on a lot of bikes, you have to cut this out right here. On the KLR, they have the weights. These are aftermarket bars, so I didn't have to cut the grips out. I put the factory grip back on here, and of course you have the factory grip over there. I can't speak for, there is a hole in the end of these factory bars, but what you have to keep in mind is these are meant to go over a little bit, so your grip is probably about right in here, the end of it. So you can actually, you could use these. You'll just have to get a screw that will fit in here through the end of your bar. That's all. Through the end of your handguard mount there. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide these on. Now I'm gonna have to cut, these balls stick out too far to go in behind the guard. So I'm not buying, you know, shorty levers for this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and whack both these balls off right now and just clean it up and make it look nice. I'll be back. Okay, about to get down and dirty here. Always put your safety glasses on. One ball. It's a one ball cowie. Nothing like getting your balls cut off. I didn't even check this one. It might still stick out too far. I'm gonna get a little file. Like I said, every drawer open on the toolbox. Don't want it to be sharp and have somebody getting a boo-boo. To check, hopefully I cut enough off. That should be good. Got clearance. Okay. Now, of course, like I said, if you have factory bars, I think this is too big of threads. You'll have to get a bolt, or you can maybe even use the bolt right out of the bar end weights. You might be able to put that right in here and mount it in. And then, of course, you got your other clamp. Find your bolts. I probably should have cleaned these up a little bit before I put them on, but I didn't. Also, if you have factory bars, you'll have to remove this clip out of your factory bars so that you can get these screwed on. It's probably going to be right in the area where they're at. These Enduro Engineering, as you can see, they have a little bit of a, I mean, the cable is not running right through there, but they do at least have a little bit of a depression. So, you know, if you turn and your cable's got to get down in there, it can go down in. Now see, I clamped that and I left them stick out too far. Tighten that up. And you can also, some of my bikes, I have to take this and flip it upside down so the cable can go underneath it. And I could have actually probably done that here, but it's not doing any movement or stretching or anything when I turn the bars, so I'm gonna let it alone. Okay, see what happens on the other side. Maybe I'll let white ones on it, make it into a KTM. I don't know if you guys heard me ever in my other videos, but I hate this orange. God, it's hideous. Just absolutely hideous. And once again, I don't know if you guys can see there, that cutout in that bracket is perfect for your brake line. They used to be straight. Those brackets used to be straight back in the day, and you had a bitch. It was a bitch when you were trying to put them on. You had to do all kind of finagling. I know a lot of you guys were probably watching this video or wanting to put these on your factory bars. I apologize for that, but I just can't do those factory bars, and the damn things are steel and they weigh a ton. Okay, now got to kind of get out here and look. They actually look pretty straight. Sometimes these little things want to spin. You got to try to put pressure on them or something to get them to grab. This one's kind of being a little contrary. I might have to actually take it out and lube it up a little bit if it ain't gonna grab. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Get this clamp tightened up a little bit here. Take this out. See, sometimes this thing, it's not catching enough inside there. And this bolt needs some lube on it. So that it spins in that sleeve a little bit easier. It should make it better. Try that. God, I hate the color of this bike. I was supposed to get the khaki one, but it ended up being the demo unit, so I couldn't get it. It still wants to give me trouble. We'll get it one way or another. It's a little tight there. See if that gives me enough grip. Okay, I think we got it there. Yeah. Okay. Give everything a little crank. Like I said, you want to check to make sure that your hand guards aren't hitting anywhere up here. So you can see Kawasaki did a good job actually this time. They have that windshield cut out in there. On my old 06, when I put hand guards on it, it would hit the factory windshield, even though it was small. Okay. All right. There you go. Well, they're white. At least you can see them a little better, how they look. Got the hand guards on. So I will see you next time when I get something else done on this. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Even if you hate KLRs, you think they're big fat pigs, you can't stand me, punch that subscribe button. Helps out. Thank you. Later.